Being vegan is a healthy choice. But there is one challenge: getting the right balance of omega-6 to omega-3 fats in the diet. Good vegan sources of omega-3 have been limited until now. We know this because test results show the average vegan has an omega-6 to omega-3 balance of 20 to 1. Science recommends it to be 3 to 1. ZINZINO's patented BalanceOil Vegan solves this problem. It is a unique blend of omega-3, 6 and 9 fatty acids and polyphenols, EPA and DHA from the marine algae Schizochytrium, ALA, GLA and SDA from Echium seed oil, polyphenols from a pre-harvested extra virgin olive oil, enriched with vegan vitamin D3. The health benefits go far beyond other omega-3 products. Test your omega-6 to omega-3 ratio and get in balance in 120 days. ZINZINO BalanceOil Vegan.